nap and ravage and don't give a hoot. Drink up me hearties, yo-ho, 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 a pirate's life for me. Oh, blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down, way, hey, blow the man down. Oh, blow the man down, bullies, blow it right down. Give us the time and we'll blow the man down.
Gather close, me mateys, while I tell ye a story of a pirate's tale. The Merciless Maiden, and her last voyage made upon these here 7 seas. Before I begin to the tale, I must tell you 3 things that every pirate knows. Never drink the bilge water, don't be mixing your privateers with your buccaneers, and never, most important mateys, never mess around with Neptune when he be swimming with a lass.
We plunder, we rifle and loot, we drink up, me hearties, yo-ho. We kidnap and ravage and don't give a hoot. Drink up, me hearties, yo-ho, 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 a pirate's life for me. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo!
Wouldn't you know that it would be the fate of the Merciless Maiden to fall into the worst of the 3? And it started out to be such a lovely day with plundering and pillaging. The Maiden had a jolly crew with Captain Merciless, First Mate Nasty Nate, and Mulligan, the navigator.
Sit right back and you hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this mighty ship. The mate was a salty sailor man, skipper brave and sure. The pirate crew set sail that day to plunder ashore. Still blood, guts, and gore. The weather started getting rough. The mighty ship was tossed. If not for the courage of a fearless crew, the Maiden would be lost. The Maiden would be lost. The ship's aground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle, with Mulligan, the skipper too. Oh, Nasty Nate and his crew, the crew, are we doomed to stay forevermore here on Mulligan's Isle?
By the year 1796, she was the scourge of the South Pacific and feared on every island in the Caribbean. Until that one fateful day when they dropped anchor in a small cove off a deserted island. It just so happened that Neptune himself was dining, shall we say, directly beneath the ship with a lady friend. Neptune was slurping down oysters and showing off his muscles, when all of a sudden, an anchor dropped right in the middle of the romantic interlude. Oh, Neptune rose up in anger, and he cursed the Merciless Maiden and all her crew. He cast the ship high upon a reef and condemned the pirates to remain forever on the island. Today be the 200th anniversary of their arrival on the island of desolation.
Shiver me timbers! It's blistering hot.
Well, hey, the bananas are right.
Bananas and coconut cream pie for 200 years. I don't want to look at a banana unless it looks like a woman.
Hi, lads. No rum. No ale. Not even cheap wine. And worst of all, there's no ooh la la.
Here we are on a lonely island. from our skipper and advice from Tokyo Roads. We get letters down to Hawaii, we get dizzy from the smell. What don't we get? You know darn well.
We get nothing but unclean wine, what we need, there ain't no substitute.
There is nothing like a dame, nothing in the world. There is nothing you can name that is anything like a dame. We get lonely and we long for the fair and gentle sex. We would like to feel the feeling of some arms around our necks. We feel hungry as a wolf and when we met their riding hood. What don't we feel? We don't feel good.
Lots of things in life are beautiful, but wrong.
There is one particular thing that is nothing whatsoever, way, shape, or form like any other.
There is nothing like a dame, nothing in the world. There is nothing you can name that is anything like a dame. There are no clothes like a dame, no serene. Oh, wowee. There are no drinks like a dame, and nothing thinks like a dame, and nothing acts like a dame, or attracts like a dame. There ain't a thing that's wrong with pain and here that can't be cured by putting him near a girly, womanly, female, feminine
Captain, look at that big wave. Hey, Captain. Look at the big shell.
Captain Merciless.
Who said that?
'Tis I, Neptune, god of the sea. On this, the 200th anniversary of your exile, ye shall have the chance to earn redemption. Follow this map. Take the shell of power east to destiny's shore, and I shall remove my curse.
Look, Captain, the waves have lifted the ship off the reef.
Fast! There must be some catch. Why now?
It doesn't matter why. The Merciless Maiden is going to sea again.
Yeah.
All hands away, everyone to the ship. To the ship! And bring along that shell.
And so, following the map, they sailed east, thus beginning their journey. Nearly a fortnight had passed before they came upon a sign up on the hill. Hollywood.
This be Destiny's shore? Can't say. The map be smeared with banana schmutz.
Drop anchor. Send a party ashore. You can't park that ship here. This is a closed set. I think the Viking commercial is being filmed in Studio 6.
Viking!
Is this Destiny's Shore? Neptune sent us to find it.
Who? Neptune said we were to deliver this shell to Destiny's Shore.
Look, I don't know what this Destiny's Shore is. This is California. You gotta get that ship out of the way. We're starting the construction of the Temple of Doom, and it's going right here.
Where to now, Captain?
Not me. Must be your shell phone.
Who be this? Yes, I can hear you now.
What's taking so long? Aren't you following the map?
We made it to California, but we can't read the rest of the map.
Just get back in your ship and don't rest until you reach Destiny's Shore. But since you're in California, bring me some nectar of the gods. And be quick about it.
Where do we find the nectar of the gods?
Head north to Napa.
Avast, hearties, to the ship! To the ship!
Sailing, sailing over the bounding main, for many a stormy wind shall blow and we come home again. Sailing, sailing over the bounding main, for we must dispel all Neptune's curse or ne'er return again. For we must dispel all Neptune's curse or ne'er return
And so the Merciless Maiden sailed north, but she sailed a little too far.
We're lost! Again! Mulligan! This time you walk the plank!
Belay that. There's a shop up ahead. We'll ask where we be.
Oh, what can I get for you today? There's a special Ethiopia blend. Or how about a half-cap, double decaf macchiato?
I be the captain of the Merciless Maiden. Who be ye? And where can I find the nectar of the gods?
Oh, okay. I be Stan, and I be the manager of the Seattle Seabucks. I have for ye the freshest beans pressed through natural spring water. Behold, the nectar of the gods.
Hand over the nectar of the gods.
I've never seen a dude need a shot of Java that bad. Coming right up.
I love coffee, I love tea, I love the Java Jive and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and out of coffee pot. Shoot me the pot and I'll pour me a shot. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Slip me a slug from that wonderful mug, and I'll cut a rug till I'm snug in a jug. A slice of onion and draw one. Draw one.
Waiter, waiter, percolator,
I love coffee, I love tea, I love the Java and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup of Boston bean, soybean, that's that little bitty green bean, cabbage and green. You know that I'm not unless it is a Kona coffee bean.
He likes it hot.
Mrs. Olsen, I'm a coffee pot. Shoot me the pot and I'll pour me a shot. A cup, a cup of Java.
Slip me a slug from that wonderful mug, and I'll put a rug till I'm
Snug in a jug.
Drop your nickel in the pot, Joe.
Taking it slow, taking it slow. Waiter, waiter, percolator. I love coffee, I love tea, I love the Java and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the Java and me. A cup, a cup, a cup, a cup. Boy.
This can't be the nectar of the gods.
We'd be better off drinking muddy water.
This is great. Give me 10 gallons for the ship.
Lad, we're in search of Destiny's Shore.
Oh, yeah. I think they played at the Dome last night. I'd head down to San Francisco for tomorrow night's show, but I'd have someone really experienced drive. There's a storm rolling in, and it's going to bring heavy rain and fog.
The crew of the Merciless Maiden laughs at hurricane. We sail tonight. We meet Destiny's Shore at San Francisco.
To the ship!
And so, once again, the Merciless Maiden set sail for Destiny's Shore. Mulligan stayed up for 10 days straight drinking coffee, trying to navigate through the storm. When the fog had lifted, they put ashore to get their bearings.
Merciless Maiden. I be seeking Destiny's Shore at San Francisco.
Yo, man, we're in Milwaukee.
Milwaukee! Mulligan, this be your doing.
Yo, hold on, man. Are you guys here for the shipment of Golden Nectar Ale?
Ale? Aye! Load the ale on the ship to Destiny's Shore.
To the ship.
I'll be glad to get back out on that open ocean.
After 200 years stuck on an island, the sea is where we belong.
Is the deep and restless
sailed east with their ill-gotten booty until they came upon a booming metropolis. The lights, bustle, and sounds of this incredible city must be their final destination, Destiny Shore.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York, New York. These vagabonds are longing to stray and step around the heart of it. New York, New York, New York. I wanna wake up in the city that doesn't sleep, to find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap, top of the heap. My little town are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New I wanna wake up in the city that doesn't sleep, to find I'm king of the hill, head of the list, cream of the crop, and the top of the heap. My little town blues. Start of it in old New York, New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. Come on, come through, New York, come through, New York.
Destiny Shore, to the gangway.
You can't talk that here.
I be captain of the Merciless Maiden. And I be seeking...
I don't care if you're Hillary Clinton. You can't talk that here.
But isn't this Destiny Shore?
Destiny Shore? That'd be down in Florida. I got an uncle living down there.
Florida? How do we get there?
Well, if I lend you my GPS, will you take that hunk of wood and canvas out of my harbor?
Aye. What's a GPS?
Punch in Destiny Shore, and it tells you how to get there.
Destiny's Shore. Go south 1,000 miles. Turn right.
Come over here. Have a nice day.
What else did she give you?
It says parking ticket.
Raise the mainsail, let loose the topgallant, hard a larboard, head for the open sea and Destiny Shore. To the ship!
If my stands, girls and tides. Man, oh man, we gave them a fill on Broadway. Broadway on opening night. There were songs that we sang to bring tears to your eyes. Heart of my heart, and little white lies. Oh, won't you give my regards? Broadway, remember me to Herald Square. Tell all the gang at 42nd Street that I will soon be there. Whisper of how I'm yearning to mingle with the old-time throng. Give my regards to old Broadway and say that I'll be there. Say that I'll be there. Say that I'll be there. And hip hip hooray, I'm leaving today, and I'll be there. I'll be there.
And so, following the magical GPS voice, they sailed south for warmer waters. Just like Ponce de Leon before them, they searched high and low for their own mystical prize, Destiny's Shore. But wait, there'll be a sign up ahead. Could it be their final destination?
There she blows! Mulligan, bring me the shell of power, the curse be lifted.
Hey, May, I'm telling you, being trapped in that shell has certainly cramped my style.
Who be you?
Neptune! You don't know me, I'm Neptune. Listen, I got trapped in that shell because I had dinner with Zeus's wife. But I gotta thank you fellas for getting me out of there. And now I can enjoy my time here at the Retirement Shores Community.
And what about the curse?
Oh, yeah, the curse is broken. So if you want to see us, we'll be over at the hot tub.
Well, what do we do now, Captain?
Hey guys, I finally caught up with you. Remember me from Hollywood? We thought you guys looked real authentic as pirates, so I got a job for you at Disney World doing the Pirates of the Caribbean shtick. You start this weekend. Tell them Steven Spielberg sent you.
And so our heroes were off to new adventures, swashbuckling before crowds of paying customers. For the trip to Orlando, Neptune lent the pirates his double-wide motor coach, and they sold their ship, the Merciless Maiden, on eBay for a tidy sum.